Assalamualaikum friends, here is advertising banner mockup. Total file is 28 and size is 2.12 GB, but don't worry, I will compress for you in two parts. Okay, you can use one by one, you can download one by one. Okay, these are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store and buy now for lifetime all password in this app. Okay, so you see here full high definition mockup. Here is 3D sign logo mockup on classic restaurant banner and black sign display, box truck, building banner, bus and car window. Okay, horizontal wall banner, and here is city light advertising poster sign, city sign. I have already uploaded this one. Restaurant window, and here is table tent, trolley bus and Toyota truck, string tour bus, smartphone and street food. Okay, so I apply this one and open layer area, and here is car and here is the background. Extract car, double click here, so you can change everything. For example, I apply a black color and write Sheri in yellow color, okay, or white color, SK, and here is okay, sorry, Control S, and you see my name is here, or you can see you write anything. Now and same here, open anything, extract mockup, and here is stand, here is a background. For example, I apply any other photo. Here is hairstyle, open this one, drag there. Okay, you can apply your own poster or your own photo, depend your own choice. You see here, no, same thing is here, restaurant. Wow, write anything, place your design here. I hope these designs are useful for you. Password in this app, go to Google Play Store and buy now for lifetime. Take care, Allah Hafiz.